AI and machine learning-driven robots. What it is, artificial intelligence and machine learning are the driving forces behind the next generation of robotics. Robots are evolving to think, learn, and adapt to their environments in real time, making them more autonomous and intelligent than ever before. Example, by 2025, we'll see robots like Boston Dynamics Atlas that not only walk and navigate complex environments, but also make decisions based on machine learning algorithms, allowing them to perform complex tasks in unpredictable environments. How it works. AI-powered robots will use advanced neural networks to understand patterns in data. For example, robots in manufacturing could predict potential breakdowns before they happen, while service robots could adapt to new situations or environments autonomously. Impact in 2025. By 2025, AI-driven robots will be integrated into more sectors, from healthcare to logistics, making them more efficient, flexible, and capable of tackling tasks that were once too complex for robots to handle. Robotic Process Automation, RPA, expansion. What it is, robotic process. Automation, RPA, has already begun revolutionizing industries by automating repetitive, mundane tasks. In 2025, we'll see RPA robots become even more sophisticated, extending beyond simple data entry to fully automating entire business processes. Example, companies like UiPath and Automation Anywhere are leading the charge in RPA. By 2025, these bots will not only process invoices, but also handle customer service inquiries, logistics management, and even decision-making tasks in real time. How it works. These robots will integrate with cloud-based systems and advanced analytics to streamline workflows, improving productivity and reducing human errors. They can perform tasks such as sending automated emails, sorting and categorizing data, or even making financial predictions based on previous data. Impact in 2025. In 2025, RPA will be a mainstream tool for businesses across industries, freeing up human workers from repetitive tasks and allowing them to focus on more strategic, creative roles. Robots as service providers. What it is, service robots are set to become commonplace in industries like retail, healthcare, and hospitality. These robots are designed to assist, interact with customers, and provide services that were once done manually. Example, imagine a hotel where robots like Relay by Savioke greet you, carry your luggage, and even deliver room service. In 2025, service robots will be present in more industries, not just to assist, but to fully interact with customers and deliver personalized services. How it works. Service robots are equipped with AI-driven systems to handle customer interactions, guide people through complex processes, and even learn customer preferences over time. In healthcare, for instance, robots will help deliver medications to patients, assist in surgeries, or even provide companionship to the elderly. Impact in 2025. By 2025, robots will be integrated into daily life in businesses, hospitals, and schools. The increase in human-robot interaction will pave the way for more personalized, efficient, and customer-centric service experiences. Human-robot collaboration, cobots. What it is. Collaborative robots, or cobots, will continue to transform industries by working side by side with humans. These robots are designed to enhance human workers' capabilities, not replace them, making workplaces safer and more efficient. Example, at companies like ABB, cobots are already being used in manufacturing lines to assist workers with heavy lifting or repetitive tasks. In 2025, we'll see even more collaboration between humans and robots in fields like healthcare, logistics, and agriculture. How it works. Cobots use sensors, cameras, and AI to monitor their surroundings, ensuring that they don't pose any threat to humans. They'll learn how to adjust their speed, movements, and actions based on human activity, creating a safer, more efficient work environment. Impact in 2025. By 2025, cobots will be standard in factories, warehouses, and other workplaces, helping humans complete tasks more efficiently and safely, as well as ensuring that robots can adapt to diverse, dynamic environments. Robots in healthcare and medicine. What it is. Robotics in healthcare has already revolutionized surgery, patient care, and rehabilitation. In 2025, we'll see more advanced medical robots, from surgical assistants to robots that assist in rehabilitation or even aid in elderly care. Example: the Da Vinci surgical system is already being used to perform minimally invasive surgeries with higher precision. By 2025, robots will be capable of performing surgeries with even greater autonomy, reducing the need for human intervention in low-risk procedures. Robots for environmental protection and disaster response. What it is: as environmental challenges and natural disasters continue to increase, robots will play a crucial role in environmental monitoring, disaster response, and cleanup. These robots will help minimize human risk and improve recovery efforts. Example: in disaster-prone areas, robots like Fujita Corporation's rescue robots or hydraulic-powered drones will help search for survivors, map dangerous areas, and clear debris. In environmental conservation, robots will monitor air quality, water pollution, and wildlife protection. How it works: robots used for disaster response often come equipped with thermal cameras, sensors, and AI to navigate through rubble or hazardous environments. In environmental protection, robots use remote sensors to collect data on pollution levels or monitor the health of endangered species. Impact in 2025. By 2025, robots will be critical players in climate change mitigation, as well as the response to wildfires, earthquakes, floods, and other environmental disasters. They'll help reduce the impact of disasters and accelerate recovery efforts while saving lives. Next-generation exoskeletons and wearable robots. What it is: exoskeletons and wearable robotics are evolving rapidly, helping people with mobility issues and even boosting human performance in industrial settings. These robots are not just for rehabilitation anymore. They're being used in physical therapy and as performance enhancers for workers in high-demand industries. Example: companies like Rewalk Robotics and Exobionics have developed wearable exoskeletons that assist individuals with spinal cord injuries or other mobility impairments. By 2025, these exoskeletons will become even more advanced, offering better comfort, functionality, and integration with AI to enhance physical therapy results. How it works: wearable robots use a combination of motors, sensors, and AI algorithms to replicate or enhance human movement. For instance, in industrial settings, exoskeletons can assist with lifting heavy loads, reducing strain and fatigue for workers. Impact in 2025. By 2025, exoskeletons and wearable robots will become standard in rehabilitation centers, helping people recover from injuries and enabling workers to perform demanding tasks more efficiently and safely. Robotic Internet of Things, IoT integration. What it is: in 2025, robotics will be increasingly integrated into the Internet of Things, IoT ecosystem. This means robots will communicate and collaborate with other devices, creating smart environments in industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and even homes. Example: imagine a hospital where medical robots can communicate with IoT-connected devices like smart beds, wearables, and diagnostic equipment to provide personalized patient care. Similarly, in manufacturing, robots can talk to sensors to predict failures or schedule maintenance autonomously. How it works: IoT-enabled robots are equipped with communication systems that allow them to exchange data with other devices in real time. This allows for smarter workflows, predictive maintenance, and personalized experiences in various sectors. Impact in 2025. By 2025, robots will be integral parts of the IoT ecosystem, enabling industries to move towards more connected, intelligent, and automated environments, ultimately leading to higher efficiency and improved decision-making. Soft robotics and flexible machines. What it is: soft robotics is a cutting-edge field focusing on robots that are made from flexible, elastic materials rather than rigid metals. These robots are especially useful in handling delicate tasks in industries like food processing, healthcare, and even packaging. Example: robots like soft robotics grippers are used in food factories to gently pick and place fragile items like fruits and vegetables. In healthcare, soft robots are being developed to assist in surgeries or even help with rehabilitation by mimicking human dexterity. How it works. Soft robots use flexible actuators, sensors, and AI to adapt to different shapes, sizes, and environments. Unlike traditional robots, which use rigid parts, soft robots can squeeze, stretch, and bend, allowing them to interact with a wider variety of objects. Impact in 2025. By 2025, soft robotics will become an essential technology in industries where flexibility, delicacy, and human-like dexterity are critical. These robots will offer new capabilities in food processing, medical assistance, and fragile goods handling. Robots in education and learning. What it is, robots are beginning to make their mark in education by being used as teaching assistants and even personalized tutors. In 2025, robots will be even more prevalent in schools and universities, helping to teach coding, STEM subjects, and personalized learning. Example, robots like NAO and Pepper develop